in Orlando. I haven't been here in almost a year and a half. And guess what? I'm back for part 2 of my Orlando vegan food tour. So come along with me as I explore vegan restaurants in Orlando and just taking my friends with me. Or they're just gonna drive me to and from the vegan spots because we about to get it in. Okay, so the first stop is Market on the South, which is a building that has different vegan food spots in it. So we went to this deli called the Kind Cleaver, okay? So we got this Cuban press sandwich, and here is my review. I can smell the pesto.
Yeah, I love pesto. I can taste the spice.
I can taste the spice too. I haven't had too many vegan deli sandwiches. This is good.
You know
This is good. It's good. I would get this again. Good, hearty, tasty. Next up is the Greenery Creamery, an ice cream boutique located in downtown Orlando. So they have vegan and non-vegan options, okay? So you can bring your friend that likes some dairy, okay? These light bulbs were so cute. I was like, oh my God, ice cream cone. Light bulbs, this is so cute, fun. Okay, the decor in here was really, really cute, but let's get to the main part, which is their ice cream. So they have an assortment of dairy and non-dairy options. You can definitely ask for samples to get whatever, float your bubble. And for some of the syrups, they do have vegan options as well, okay? And that big old cookie you see right there, that's a vegan cookie. And your girl decided to get that. I also asked for them to warm it up. Okay, so my friend did get the dairy option. He got the Cookie Monster ice cream scoop with the brownie. He did say it was pretty sweet. And I got a milkshake. I got the Cookies and Dream vegan milkshake. I was like, ooh, that's a lot of chocolate. Ooh, that's chocolatey. That's a lot of chocolate, y'all.
That's how you know
It's
you
too
moved
sweet.
to Atlanta.
Excuse me? This is way too sweet. If you like sweet, this would be good. Not too sweet. It's too chocolatey. I like chocolate, but not to this extent. Like, I thought it was about to be, like, more of the soft serve. And then, like, some of the cookie crumbles in it. Not talking to you. Too much chocolate. I would do the vanilla soft serve. And then with the cookie, I would just add it to the soft serve. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what
Like make my own sundae. Okay. All right, y'all, the cookie's so big. It's like the size of my face. Cookie not sweet. It doesn't make sense. The cookie's not sweet, y'all. In conclusion, on my next visit, I would not get the cookie. So for old time's sake, we walked through downtown Orlando. Now, I used to live in Orlando, and my college years, there was a lot of nights spent in downtown Orlando. So I was kind of reminiscing as we were walking through looking for the next vegan spot to eat at. So we ended up driving to this spot called Planties, which y'all saw in my last Orlando food vlog, but I got something different this time, okay? So they have a whole bunch of different options. As y'all could tell, people was in there. They had a line. So here goes the menu, some of the menu, okay? So let me show y'all what I got. So I ended up getting the buffalo sandwich along with the plant-style fries, and I added bacon for a little bit of extra oomph in it. Okay, there I go. Here go the sandwich. I wanted y'all to see, what it looked like in my hand and then what the inside looked like. It tastes like a Chick-fil-A sandwich. A little bit. Kind of tastes like a sandwich. Temperature could be warmer, but they're good. I like the sauce, the cheese, the bacon bits. Another day, another vegan spot. Today we are at this spot called Mario's Pizza, which is on Crayford Road and Go to Ride. So let me show y'all. It's giving real authentic. Like it's about to be good. Okay, so Mario's Pizza does have a vegan menu, but it's not a vegan spot, okay? So they have dairy, meat, and all that stuff, but they have a selected vegan menu. So here's what I got. I got this salad with some vegan dressing, and then I got this dessert cone thingy with like this cookies and cream stuffing and powdered sugar on the outside. I forgot what it's called. Then I got the vegan pepperoni rolls, and it came with some marinara sauce. And then I got their chicken Alfredo because I just wanted to try something different. This is good. This is real good.
I feel like it's family.
Girl, this thing looks so cheesy. Like,
Yeah.
it don't even look vegan. Oh, no, now it does. Yeah, it ain't got the pull. You see it got the pull?
Yeah.
That's how you know.
Kids. How you feel?
This is it. This ain't it. This is it. I should got pizza.
I'm surprised you did.
Because I was like, oh, I'm going to get this appetizer and then switch up, get something a little different. At the end of the day, I did not like the chicken Alfredo. I even took it back to the house to spice it up, and I still didn't like it. It might have been something in the milk that they used that it just didn't settle with my stomach. The taste wasn't there. Now, them pizza rolls, as y'all can see, I really enjoyed those. So I would definitely go back to Mario's and go ahead and just get me a vegan pizza and see how that tastes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my Orlando vegan food tour. Y'all, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram at Soso Models. And if you like any of my sunglasses, they are all from shadedbysoso.com. So shop shadedbysoso.com for your stylish protective eyewear.